So a lot of people who would be watching this, I'm pretty sure have already enrolled and are doing various courses, whether it's engineering, whether it's BBA, BCom, or somebody might even be, doing MBA and watching this. But they still want to get a learning and hang of this, just to have an added advantage with their regular degrees that they're doing. How can they do that? So if you could mention like 2 or 3 ways that, hey, this is how you could upskill yourself by continuing what you're doing in terms of your traditional degrees, but get a knowledge of data science, analytics. How would they do? How would they be able to do it?
The main challenge should be, what do you want to learn, is what your question was. Let's say a person who has, let's say, a programming, a logical bent of mind,
right?
He could simply pick up Python as a programming language.
Okay.
And in Python, there are so many libraries. Like, suppose he does NumPy and Pandas, he will know how to work with data. Even simple tools like Excel, Microsoft Excel itself has a nice set of analysis which can be done.
Right.
You may pick up a software like Tableau, which has a visualization tool. So, but if they pick up these smaller tools, they get an idea behind it. But also I feel they should go deeper in certain areas. They need a broad understanding, but then do a project on a specialized area. And then you work, and it's not a 1-day thing or a 2-day thing or a 1-week thing.
Right.
I'm talking about spending 6 months, spending a year
right.
in that time learning, and then by the end you will start seeing results.